course, but I bought it.
Cute. Gum.
Oh, wow.
You
Gum.
get 2 more packages. What's this? Apple.
Wow, Mary.
Let me go.
Gum. Oh, you got a headlamp, a pink one.
Oh, Dad. Oh.
For brushing your teeth.
Whoa.
Wow, Mary. Wow, that looks like a good one.
Say good night. Say good night. Okay. Look.
It's rated spot. Cute.
What is it?
Well, you got these?
You know what? You could maybe try some mousse or something to put her hair back.
What is it, Mary?
Pen.
What is it? What's in your hand?
Chick.
Yeah.
Pink. Yeah, that's right. Pink.
Wow, you got a lot of stuff, Mary.
Let's see some yo-yo tricks, Charlie.
You too. No, I don't want to be like Carol.
Let's see, Charlie. Let's see that yo-yo. Wow, is this? Ow! We had no idea it was
I know,
red.
I know. Isn't that cool?
But it is cool.
What, Mary?
I really like it.
Wow, look at it. It really moves, doesn't it?
And
And the cool thing is,
Uh-oh.
with what kind of stickers?
Look.